Did you know 90% of top performing YouTube videos have one thing in common? They use a strategic approach to rank higher and get more views. But how does YouTube decide which video gets millions of views and which one gets buried? YouTube's algorithm prioritizes three key factors: watch time, click-through rate, and engagement. If your video gets longer watch time and higher engagement, YouTube recommends it to more people. Studies show that videos with an average watch time of over 50% perform 2x better in recommendations. So keep viewers hooked by using storytelling, pattern interrupts, and open loops. Your thumbnail and title make or break your CTR. The ideal CTR is between 5 to 10%, but top creators consistently hit 12% or more. Use bright colors, emotional faces, and curiosity-driven titles to boost clicks. Videos with higher engagement get a visibility boost. Videos with 100+ comments tend to rank higher because YouTube sees them as valuable. So ask your audience a question and encourage interactions. Subscribe VeeFly for more such content.